I handed out $37,000 in bonuses this year to my employees. So we do a lot of cool and fun things, but I think what my employees appreciate the most is that everybody is accountable.
Right. Yeah. And when you're playing on that team, which is, I talk to people all the time, the stuff they put up with. Like, I'm not a big sports guy. Obviously you are a sports guy, but I can appreciate the concepts that if you have an underperforming player on the team that makes the team look bad, no team in the world would ever keep them on the roster.
No, because all the other teammates they all start complaining.
Yeah, and the thing is, they hold him accountable in the locker room and say, "Hey, dummy, you really dropped that ball." So it in most businesses, the employees come to you with a gripe.
Yeah.
And I said, why didn't you go to him with that gripe? I mean, why are you coming to me? Well, I just, no. If we're a team, everybody holds each other accountable. And at one point, if you don't, the team makes everybody look bad. It ruins the morale. And then people are disgruntled. And I think it leads to that, where I look at surgeons and I said, surgeons are ruthless.